So now it's time to draw this drawing number 3 from this file. So let's start it. Let's close this one. I hope you all know how to save necessary files. So let's open a new document and then let's check it out first again. Let's just draw the line with 100 millimeters and then let's put it to right side. Again, you drop the file here. Done. And press escape. So we have put wrong file. I need to put second page. Done. So we can delete this one. So let's start with the central circle. No, I think it's easier to start with the right side of our detail. So we can just let's start from this place. I will just draw line with 57 millimeters. So we need to do some calculation here to find these places. As you can see, the main one is 24, the another one is 12, so I think it will be 6, 6, 6, 6 here. So let's split it 6 to left side 22 millimeters, to up 12 millimeters again, 22 millimeters to right. We need to go up 6 millimeters, and we need to go again to left side 22 millimeters. Yeah, done. Now we need to build this part. It's easy, I think, for everyone like this. Done. Again, we need to trim unnecessary parts. Center mark if you want to do. Yeah, like this. So if you want to increase this line, as you can see, we will reduce these like 22 millimeters from 57 millimeters, so it will be 35 millimeters. Yeah, done. And we will build this circle. Yeah. We will build smaller one also. Done. Pay attention to circles. Center mark. Again. So if you want to connect this one, just connect them, and we need to increase a little bit this center mark. So now we need to find the center of this circle. So as you can see, there is like an angle 100 120 degrees, so using this simple line to turn off the ortho mode. So 50 millimeters destination, degrees 112 degrees, done. As you can see, we finished. You can just change the type of this line also, and then you can build necessary circles. The smaller one is diameter is 13 millimeters, bigger one is radius 13 millimeters, done. So what we need to do is connect them together, this part and this part. So as you can see, here is the radius with 80 millimeters. So if you want to use fillet tool with radius 80 millimeters, let's try this trick first. If it's possible, we can just, no, as you can see, it's hard. It's building inner fillet. We need to outer fillet. So we need to find center of these two radiuses. The first one is 45, the second one 80 millimeters. We will start with this one. In this case, we will use some trick. As you can see, the bigger radius, this one, we will add let me see first this radius to bigger radius, and then this radius to bigger radius. Also we will add first of all 80 plus 6.5, it will be 86.5 millimeters, like this, and then this part 86 millimeters. 86 millimeters, if I'm not wrong, it should be correct. No, we need to start from this side. No, we did a mistake. I think we need to reduce, yeah, these destinations. First of all, let's build the circle with reducing 6.5 millimeters. It will be 73.5 millimeters. This one will be 74 millimeters. 74 millimeters. Done. So what we are doing is we are building the general fillet to smaller ones. Let's build them to bigger ones. So here is the radius is 13, so we need to reduce this 13. So it will be 67 millimeters. It will be 68 millimeters. So if we build in this point connection of these big circles 80 millimeters, so now we can delete these extra circles. As you can see, this curved line is ideal. You can use trim tool to delete these extra lines. Done. So now what we need to do is we need to build this radius 45. In this case, what will we do is we Let's build one circle here, construction circle with radius 12 millimeters. So in this case, what we need to do, we need to connect these circles with outside. So let's use this trick also. We need to reduce, I think, the first one will be 32 millimeters. The second necessary circle is 33 millimeters. No, we did a mistake. I think we need to add the dimensions. Yeah, I cannot remember formula, so it's a little bit hard. First one will be 58 millimeters. The second one will be, and this one will be 57 millimeters down. So in connection of these big circles, we will start another circle with 45 millimeters down. Let's delete unnecessary circles, and then let's trim this spot, and then you can delete this unnecessary circle also. As you can see, it's almost finished, but we need to put its center mark here, and then we need to build this line. So the radius is 20. Let's build radius, and then using trim tool, we'll delete extra lines. As you can see, we don't need these lines also. Done. Let's move our detail a little bit to, oh sorry, done. So we can change, we can check. Sorry, we did a mistake here, I think. Yeah. We need to use trim tool here to prevent our mistake. Done. As you can see, we finished. You can compare two details with each other. So in this case, let's choose all center lines and change the color. So now it's time to turn it's time to put the dimension and necessary information. It's an assignment for you. Thank you for your attention.